ASIGI Kuntareta Muslim Advocate Legal Services Organization Malso gi General Body Meeting ama IMPHAL West ke HIYANGTHANG PALLAK PANGTHOKTUNA lisingani ga kuntaruk lisingani ga kunmapan gi organization asigi PUGADABASING KHANKHRE ballot paper gi kuthang da election tawduna KHANKHREBA naungna PUGADABI basingdi President gi famda FA Khalid Advocate Vice President da MD Jamil Ahmad Advocate amasung Sarwari Begum Advocate ni General Secretary Dr. Ravi Khan Advocate Joint Secretary MD Azmal Hussain Advocate amasung Salima Begum Advocate Finance Secretary da MD Nazimuddin Saha Advocate MD Ayub Khan Advocate MK Azir Advocate Azmal Nisa Advocate Sayeda Nazira Advocate Auditor Oina Salman Khurshid Kori Advocate Advisor MD Tahir Ali Retired Government Advocate Liaquat Ali Advocate amasung MD Zakir Hussain haina Malso gi General Secretary Advocate Dr. Ravi Khan khudek piduna thadorakpa chirolamada khangalakli